Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So, on a quick note, we'll do an analysis with the crypto instruments. So, how market profile is giving a hidden information. So, especially in this chart, if you see very clear, they have kept the P-shaped profile. So, if you see this day, what happened on January, market has kept P-shaped profile. So generally in market, in the general idea is the general idea of P-shape is market can take support and go higher. So this is the general perspective of the P-shaped profile in market. But what the profile says, that is very important, because just like just seeing like it is a P-shaped profile, it might look like a P-shaped profile. But if you split and see, there will be a lot of hidden information. So if it is a proper P-shaped profile, if it is a true P-shaped profile, why the market didn't take a support here? So it has started to come on downside for the next following days. So why it is happening and why the continuous or multi-level resistance has been created at this level? So always the profile or always a general activity does not mean everything is true. True things are happening in market. So there are fake things, there are false breakouts, there are fake things can also be created in market, and we need to analyze how um, whether it's a true or a fake thing in market, whatever the activities are created. So if you see here, it generally it look like a P-shaped profile, but if you split and see what happens, this is a kind of Q-shaped profile, okay, or a pattern of 9 if you say. So this is a general idea. If you see here what happens in the Q shape also, there is no such buying pressure, which clearly tells the seller is very dominant at this level. So whoever are sitting at this level are very dominant, and they are pushing the market to go down, and they are not giving, the buyers are not giving enough pressure to go higher. So that is why even they form the Q-shaped profile. The if you see this is a proper buying strength of Q-shaped profile, because the buyer is very strong. But here it is not like, in this case it is not like that. So the buyer is very weak and the sellers are very strong. That is why it is pushing the market for the next following days also, even though it has kept the P-shaped profile. So this is the market profile hidden information, and it is only one kind of hidden information. We do get lot of hidden informations, and on join together or club together, we can plan our expected set of trades. So just like giving one point of hidden information does not satisfy the trade entry and exit, because market will not behave like this. So we need to understand the concept. So what are the key things they are placing? While they are placing the P-shaped profile, they have kept the selling single print, which is a clear opposite activity, right? Because the P-shape are tend to go higher, but they have kept the selling single print, which is a clear indication the sellers are dominant. So the fight is going between this and this level. So we need to analyze who's the dominant power or whose strength is more, either whether the buyer or the seller. So if we come to know that it is a Q-shaped profile with a weak buyer, definitely the sellers are taken into charge, and selling single print are also created for more conviction. Next day, market started to get a resistance from this level, and it has moved lower to this. A clear smart money selling activity happens. So I already told in every video, like every time the smart money, just like that, they will not enter. They will do some prior work. No, this is the prior work, or this is also a trending day. They will do lot of prior works on these many days to capture these trending days. So likewise, there are so much of profile activity, there are so much of profile information which will give you beautiful insights about the market behavior. So what are the market behavior? I have listed few things, but there are more in it. Market participants, the current market participants, we need to analyze whether it's an intraday player or a scalper or a smart money player. So who's sitting in that profile on a particular day? Or the buyer and seller footprints. As I showed you, the sellers are very strong, the buyers are weak. That's why the market tend to fall on the next following day. And the next one is smart money footprints. Definitely the smart money footprints are very important to identify their zones and entry. And if you're really interested to join the market profile and order flow classes, which is going to commence from 12th of April, and both Tamil and English batch are starting. So if you are interested to join, so kindly join with the English batch as well, which is going to commence from April 12th 2025 weekend. So here I mentioned Tamil batch, so both the batches are starting actually. So if you are interested, kindly contact the WhatsApp number which is in the Telegram or in the channel. So thanks all for watching. This is purely for education purpose. Kindly do your analysis before you take trade. Thanks all for watching.